In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create SKU in Shopify. By the end, you'll know exactly where to add SKU codes, why they matter, and a few best practices to keep your catalog clean and easy to manage. First, sign in to your Shopify admin. This is the main dashboard where you manage your products, orders, and settings. Once you're in, look to the left-hand sidebar and click Products. This takes you to a list of everything you sell, including active products, drafts, and archived items. Find and open the product you want to work on by clicking its name. If you're managing a larger catalog, the search bar at the top is the quickest way to get there. Inside the product page, scroll down until you see the variants section. This is where Shopify organizes different versions of a product like sizes or colors. Even if your item has only one version, you'll usually see a default variant here. SKUs are stored at the variant level, so each size or color can have its own unique code. Click the variant you want to update to open its details. You'll see fields for pricing, inventory, and shipping. Look for the SKU field, usually near the inventory settings. Don't confuse SKU with the barcode field. The barcode, sometimes called GTIN or UPC, is separate and often used by external channels or scanners. The SKU is your internal code that keeps your records, reports, and fulfillment organized. Type your SKU code into the field. A good SKU is short, unique, and meaningful. Many stores use a simple pattern, like a product family, followed by attributes such as color and size. Avoid spaces and special characters, as some systems don't handle them well. Consistency is key. Use the same format across your entire catalog, so it's easy to read at a glance and simple to search. Also, make sure you never reuse an SKU for different items or variants. Duplicates can cause mispicks, inventory errors, and reporting issues. When you're done, click Save at the top right of the page. Saving updates the variant and locks in the new SKU. After the page refreshes, you'll see the SKU reflected in the variants list, which is a quick way to verify everything looks right. Remember, each variant needs its own unique SKU, so repeat this process for any other variants on the product to keep your inventory precise and your integrations happy. That's it. Log in, open products, choose a product, go to variants, open a variant, find the SKU field, enter your code, and save. With clear, consistent SKUs in place, inventory tracking, reporting, and order fulfillment all become faster and more reliable.